Managing your restaurant using waitlist and table timers. Restaurant Manager by Eat provides restaurant operators with a waitlist tool to help manage customers when the restaurant is full. To access this feature, start by pressing the floor icon on the left-hand sidebar, then click on Waitlist. You'll notice that all our tables are already occupied. Let's see how we can use the waitlist and table timers to manage and maintain a steady flow of customers while we are already at full occupancy. Start by pressing the timer icon on the bottom right-hand corner. Here, you'll notice 4 different options: currently seated time, time remaining, and next reservation. Currently seated time shows you how long each guest has been at their table. Time remaining shows you how long each table has left of their reservation. And next reservation shows you how long is left until the next reservation. All 3 of these metrics can be useful to plan and coordinate the flow of customers. But for now, let's select time remaining. Looking around our floor, we can see that one table has less than 5 minutes left of their reservation. We will use this information to start planning out our waitlist. To add a new guest to the waitlist, press the Add to Waitlist button at the bottom. For name, you can either choose to keep them labeled as walk-in or to fill out their profile by tapping this field. Start filling out the guest's information, and if they have been to your restaurant in the past, their profile will appear. Make sure to include a phone number, as this is how you will send them an SMS when their table is ready. Assign their party size, and set their wait quote to 5 minutes, since that is when the next table frees up. Now press Add in the top right. You'll notice that our guest has been added to the wait list. We can see their promised wait time, booking details, as well as a timer of how long they've been waiting. Once their time is up, the timer will turn red, as seen here for Sarah, who has been waiting for well over her promised time. At which point, you can click the guest's name and send them an SMS to let them know their table is ready. You are now ready to use Restaurant Manager by Eat to manage your full restaurant using table timers and waitlist. Want to learn more? Check out our other videos.